Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm alleycat and together we are going to make some very easy sewing projects totally perfect for beginners. In this video we are going to see a very easy way to use our fabric scraps. We are going to make fabric coasters. The things that I will need are my cotton non-elastic fabric scraps, felt fabric scraps, my pins, my scissors and my sewing machine, and a pencil and ruler to make my pattern. I will make my pattern now simply by cutting a square that each side measures 14 centimeters or 5.5 inches, and now I can cut my fabrics. For each coaster I will need 2 squares of my cotton fabric without leaving any seam allowances, and 1 square of my felt fabric, again without leaving any seam allowances. Now that I have my squares ready, I can start making my coaster. I start by laying down the first square of cotton fabric with the right side facing at me. On top of it I will put my other cotton fabric square with the right side of the fabric facing the right side of the first square. My 2 squares I will put my felt fabric square, and I will use pins to secure all pieces together by putting them across the stitching line. Now I will sew my pieces together, leaving 1 centimeter or 1/4 of an inch from the edges and leaving a small hole to the one side so I can turn my coaster right sides out. Now I'm ready and I will cut my corners. I'll be careful, and then I will turn my coaster inside out. Now I can see the right sides of my coaster, and the next thing I'm going to do is to put some pins across the stitching line and top stitch my coaster at my sewing machine. This is my finished coaster. I think I will make lots of these because they are so useful and they will make a very nice gift to my friends. Thank you all for watching. I hope you liked my first video and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.